Hi, this is James Conley with pennystockprofit.com, and this here is one of my proof videos. You can see we have the New York Times webpage here. Today is Sunday, May 4th, 2014. Going to go ahead and hit refresh here so that you can see that this loads and is a normal web page. Sunday, May 4th. Going to go to our pick tonight for members. The pick is Integrated Cannabis Solutions with the symbol IGPK. And let me just refresh this page as well so you can see the date up here at the top. Also shows it's Sunday night, May 4th. So this is Integrated Cannabis Solutions trading at 17 cents, which was the last trade on Friday. What we're going to do here is today is Sunday night, so we're going to come back possibly Monday night, maybe even Tuesday midday, and we'll see what happened with this pick. Hey guys, James Conley back here with the second half of the proof video. So here we go. We're at the New York Times webpage. Today is Monday, May 5th, 2014. So let me just refresh this so you can see the date and see that this is not faked in any way. This is the New York Times webpage with the exact date. Here we go, Monday, May 5th. And we actually came back to this one about 1 hour into the trading day on Monday. And you're not going to believe what happened to this pick. So let me go to Yahoo Finance. Going to hit refresh here again. And okay, Integrated Cannabis Solutions, as you remember from the video last night, this stock was trading at 17 cents. Now, in all fairness, it did open at 20 cents, so it did open with a little bit of a gap up, but then it absolutely soared here. This is actually the day's high so far, 300%. Well, let's just say 250% right here. That's 250% gains in less than an hour. So obviously, this was a huge home run for us here. We've already taken our position and booked a nice profit. So, you know, if you look at this, let's just say 250%. I don't know if anyone got out at 300%. If they did, congrats. But we can see it's pretty easy to get out at 250 here. You're looking at a $1,000 investment turning into $2,500. You know, you put $5,000 into this, that's $12,500 profit off of $5,000. You know, so obviously you can see what the ridiculous potential is here with penny stocks. So if you're interested in discovering how we find these stocks that double and triple in just days, I want you to go ahead and fill out the form on this page with your name and email, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can trade right alongside me and make serious money with penny stocks.